Oh my, a beautiful Monday afternoon in March. It's regardlessly sunny, a few clouds in the sky, and it was not like that yesterday. Now, the time I'm recording this is actually September 1st, which is Labor Day, so happy Labor Day, everyone. But anyway, March 16th was not anything like today, as that day was at National Weather Service Pittsburgh and Cleveland's first major severe weather day of the 2025 severe weather season. From tornado watches, even though I caught one, to a bunch of severe thunderstorm warnings, even like 3 tornado warnings on the TV at my grandparents' house. So this was originally called the St. Patrick's Day Weather Massacre, but I'm gonna name it new series, which will be Severe Weather Madness 1. So this intro is about to end, so without further ado, let's get this party started, and I hope you enjoy the first installment of Severe Weather Madness 1. Go! Go!
Winds this strong can make driving difficult.
Tornado watch 53!
Use extra caution. The current time is
Go! 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 Are you gonna... Oh, tornado watch! Go! Go!
in Ohio, Carroll, Columbiana, Mahoning,
Why didn't you go on?
Stark, and Trumbull, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lawrence and Mercer.
Oh, wow.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 53, effective until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, Columbiana, Mahoning, Portage, Stark, and Trumbull, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lawrence and Mercer. Remember that tornado watch conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather. Tornadoes, large
Wait. I'm gonna...
while severe weather may
Oh, man, copyrighted. Are you gonna... I give up. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Wait a sec, we might get a double header. Uh-oh. It's gonna happen.
Portage, Stark, and Trumbull, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lawrence and Mercer.
Double header? Double header? Double header?
The current
Oh.
10:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Right there.
This is No Weather Radio WWG56 originating.
Here we go again! Here we go again! Severe SCR. SCR! Go! Go! Why did you go off? Go! 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 Go!
Until 11:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:42 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Canton, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Canton, Massillon, Kent, Greening,
Are you gonna...
North Canton.
Infection or symptoms such as fever, sweats, chills, muscle aches, or cough were a healing area since 1970.
I give up.
into the basement for a small central room and a sturdy structure.
Dude, there ain't no tornado warning yet, dingus.
Interior room on the lowest floor of the
Why
building.
did you activate?
A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 a.m.
Anyway.
Eastern Daylight Time for the following
What?
counties in Ohio.
That
Portage, Stark,
tornado watch. Double header, please.
This is no weather radio WWGP originating from the national.
Dude.
Hang on a second,
No.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stark County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, eastern Holmes County in northeastern Ohio until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:54 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Holmesville to 6 miles west of Farmerstown, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include...
Okay, let's just listen to this.
Select, Green, Alliance, North, Berlin, Walnut Creek, Brewster, Navarre, Dalton, Waynesburg, East Sparta, Willett, Mount Eaton, Winesburg, and Farmerstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch will be in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio.
Sorry about the static. I'm currently heading to my grandma's house.
This is no weather radio WWGP.
So sorry if this wasn't at my room. It was in the car and I just captured another SEO with this. So the reason why is because another thing, sorry about the static because I'm currently headed to my grandma's house. So please bear with it. What is that?
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania.
Uh-oh. What? All right. SEO for us.
County in northern West Virginia until 1:15 p.m. At 12:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shippingport.
No, it's southeastern Lawrence.
Moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per
I might get
hour.
a power outage.
Source, radar indicated. Impact,
It's at College Fields.
sighting, entry. Locations
I'm
impacted
glad I
include
looked. I'm glad
I think
I
I
thought
might
of
get
it.
one of them.
Beaver Falls, Minnetonka,
His
Economy,
ultrasound.
Elwood
It's
City,
GMC Jameson
Temecula,
College
Medora,
Fields MRI
Brighton,
Diagnostic
Center,
Center
Northview,
in
Beaver,
at
Beta,
8:30.
Meridian, Zelienople, Rochester, Holyoke, Meadow Woods, Midland, Oak Hills, Industry in Evan City. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows.
So,
The
what time
storm
is
is
it?
capable of producing damaging winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. for portions of Pennsylvania and the northern panhandle of
Wow,
West
this River
Virginia.
Real always likes to act like a dingus for some reason.
I don't think we're going to get to that storm because it looks
Weather
great
message.
or like.
Impact. Expect
Okay, Midland, you had one job.
Yeah, he might have sealed the deal.
Go.
He's upstairs. I see him go upstairs.
weather message.
Bryson.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Belmont County in East Central Ohio.
What?
Carroll County in East Central Ohio. Western Columbiana County in East Central Ohio. Guernsey County in East Central Ohio. Harrison County in East
the
Central
heck?
Ohio. Western Jefferson, Ohio County in East Central Ohio.
What?
Monroe County in East Central Ohio. Noble County in East Central Ohio. Tuscarawas County in
This is
East
weird.
Central
This
Ohio.
is insane.
Until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line from 19 miles north of Strasburg to near Caldwell, or along
Alexa,
the line from 24 miles north
play
of
Hot
Dover to near
101.
Caldwell, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Tuscarawas and Guernsey counties into locations east of Interstate 70. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts.
Alexa,
Source, law
cable
enforcement reporting.
TV.
Widespread down trees and power lines have been reported from Coshocton and Muskingum counties where the line previously passed.
What are you talking about, Paul?
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged.
We have
Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power
we
outages
had
are
a
likely.
severe thunderstorm.
Hoover, Salem, Cambridge,
Are you gonna-
Lawrenceville, St. Clairsville, Barnesville, Cadiz, Carrollton,
truck.
Woodsfield, Caldwell, Freeport, Newcomerstown, Denison, Strasburg, Desville, Augusta, Dudley, Salineville, and Nathan-Hutton. Seek shelter now inside an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. These storms have produced widespread destructive winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for a portion of East Central Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm.
So like all around is like jungle and there's just this like it's
Right.
yeah.
A weather message.
But it needs painting. Let's go before it rains.
An urgent weather message.
I am called it.
I'm gonna spend one day with
Thunderstorm
my
warning for
friend.
Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, Mahoning County in northeastern
It's nice that they
Ohio,
both live by each
Ashtabula
other.
County in northeastern Ohio, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:38 p.m. Eastern
Alexa,
Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms
play Hot
were
101.
located along the line extending from near Fairport Harbor to near Streetsboro to Hartsville to near
Oh, come on, NJM.
70 miles per hour.
Alexa,
Source.
Google.com.
Impact. Expect
Alexa,
damage.
Google.com.
Likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted
Oh.
include Youngstown, Warren,
Oh, here we go. Alexa, Hot 101. All right, we're gonna go back to we're going back to channel 2.
Robertsville, and Maximo. A tornado watch remains 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Daylight time for the fall.
All right, that's good. I'm gonna make these correlations to severe thunderstorm madness, probably.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Oh, my county, my county, my county, my county, my county.
Eastern Harrison County and East Central Ohio.
Come here.
Jefferson, Ohio
Juice.
County and East Central Ohio. Western Mercer County in
Stop.
northwestern Pennsylvania. Western Beaver County in western Pennsylvania. Western
What?
Lawrence
Oh, what's the Lord?
Pennsylvania.
There's a dog.
Western. Your dog.
I'm gonna go sit over there.
Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:51 p.m. Eastern
Oh.
Daylight Time. Severe
Oh, no.
thunderstorms were
Well, there goes a severe thunderstorm warning for my county again. Still hasn't changed outside.
Newcastle.
Oh, that's me. That's me. That's me.
Salem, East Liverpool, Beaver Falls, Columbiana, East Palestine, Sharpsville, Wellsville, Cadiz, Carrollton, Wellsburg, New Brighton, Farrell, Toronto, Beaver, and Calcutta.
Tornado watch.
Do you have like a bowl?
It's like tornado watch. Oh, we just looks like the SBR just canceled me, and the tornado watch just canceled Koshkin, these Ohio counties, and continuing for us till like 4 p.m.
Until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll and Columbiana, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lawrence and Mercer.
The weather.
The urgent weather message.
Oh, come on.
Severe thunderstorm warning is canceled.
It's basically
for
back-to-back
Beaver and
EAS.
southeastern Luzerne counties. Till 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio.
Finally, you're doing EAS Hot 101.
I don't have my camera
The
on.
urgent weather message.
Everywhere.
So windy this morning.
Blown everywhere. Trees falling down.
Okay, there's something wrong with the audio.
It woke me up. Lily, you want cake?
Oh, finally you said what you say.
Puppies can't have
Alexa.
We're gonna wet will it. We're gonna wet will it.
All right. Oh my God, it's getting down out right here. I think I'm gonna do security cameras so that I can just get alerts when I'm not at home.
My breath.
Why would they do it again?
When I'm looking at the radar, and it's not making sense.
Got a tornado right there. Like the TV EAS beat me to it.
And the following counties in
It's
Pennsylvania,
nice.
Lawrence and
I'm not that stupid voice again.
I don't have a run on it. You gotta go turn the switch on.
That's making me run out of breath. Sheesh. Imagine if I
I wanna get you in shape running them down them steps, bucko.
Finally, you're going to Paul. Finally, it's Paul this time. Thank God.
2 p.m. or something. I can hear him a little bit.
Thank God it's Paul this time, not that. Fancy, fancy. I want to risk passing out.
Why you shouldn't let them down steps so hard? You start sweating.
I don't know.
Yeah, Westmoreland. That's east there.
Accident, Moreland.
Southeast, I guess.
Yeah. That one's Indiana again, I think.
Indiana, Pennsylvania.
And also a small one still. So their first workable producing a tornado was located over Derry or near the trail moving northeast on 60 miles an hour. Sheesh. Wow. Why aren't you doing any of I'm just gonna bring my overrated upstairs.
Up to 50 miles per hour. Ware, Cuyahoga, Mahoning, Portage, Star,
No tornado warning just got issued.
Wet until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon.
Just gonna wait. Get out of the way, dude.
And the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lawrence and Mercer. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watches.
It's that stupid voice again. Are you freaking? It's like a tornado warning has been issued for Indiana, Westmoreland. Something like that. Jeez, this is making my breath run out. Sheesh.
That's it.
Whoa! Uh-oh. Abby, what did you say? I was just about to leave my grandma's house, and now we got another SVR.
Northwestern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line from 39 miles north of Calamity to 6 miles northwest of Marin, or along the line from 14 miles north of Franklin to 8 miles west of Butler, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to sighting. Locations impacted include Butler, Oil City, Grove City, Franklin, Knox, Homaker, Vendura, Cigar Creek, Shiner Northview, Meridian, Slippery Rock, Kynesta, Hampton Heights, Prospect, Stoneboro, Shikora, Seneca, Harrisville, Parker, Polk, and Plain Grove Township. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for portions of northwest and west central Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Pennsylvania.
Just tuning in.
Mercer and Venango.
As soon as I was about to leave my grandma's, another EAS SVR came on. So yeah.
Urgent weather.